Good morning, welcome to our farm. My name is Madeline and I am here with my brother Nathan, and we are going to be giving y'all a tour.
These are our hens. We raise them out on the pasture and routinely move them to new spots. We supplement their pasture diet with a soy-free, corn-free, non-GMO feed. They lay eggs in the nest boxes. Those are their mobile coops, so that we gather from their nest boxes every day. We just enjoy living out on the pasture. These are our broilers. We move them every day to give them access to new pasture, fresh pasture and bugs, and we supplement their pasture diet with the soy-free, corn-free, non-GMO feed.
So in conclusion, we are a family farm seeking to please our customers with happy, healthy food that is no soy, no GMO, no corn, and also raised on the pasture, enjoying the fresh grass and bugs every day. I hope you enjoy watching today's video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss out on any content.